Hey everyone! If Roblox estimated your age incorrectly during facial age verification, here's how you can report the issue. Let's begin. Open Chrome or any browser on your phone or computer. Search for Roblox support. Open the official Roblox support website. Enter your username and email address in the required fields. Now open the device type drop-down menu. Select the device you're using. Next, open the Help category menu. Select Age-based settings. Then open the Help subcategory menu. Choose Issues with Facial Age Estimation. In the description box, explain your issue in as much detail as possible. Then tap Continue to submit your request. If needed, you can provide any additional information requested by Roblox. Avoid using third-party apps, extensions, or services that claim to change your age or bypass age verification. They may put your Roblox account at risk. That's all. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Hey everyone!